Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Take and Make Crafts Wacky Craft Bags. This week we're going to make little gemstone gourds. So these are just dried gourds and we're going to put these gemstones on the front of them. So grab a craft kit from the library and let's get started. So every kit is going to come with the same things. It's going to come with a little cup of tacky glue, 2 gourds. I don't know what size you're going to get. They're all slightly different. These are dried too, so you can leave them out. They're not going to rot or start smelling. You can find these online. Just search for dried gourds. You could also dry your own gourds, but that takes a lot of work and a long time, and we just didn't have the time or the space or the climate. So we just got these little dried ones on the internet, and then everybody's going to get a bag of gems. I don't know what you're going to get in there. We sort of put them together randomly. So it's up, you'll have to see what's in your bag. You do not get a paintbrush, which you might need to put the glue on, but if you don't have a paintbrush, you could also use a Q-tip. You just need something that you can dab in the glue, put on your gourd or put on your gem, and that's it. So whatever you have is fine. All right, so I'm going to do this little gourd. You can come up with whatever patterns you want. So this one I sort of made like a circular design. This one I was able to do like little flowers. I used a Sharpie on this one too. So if you have a Sharpie, any kind of Sharpies or other paint, you can also use that. That's up to you. But the designs are really kind of your choice and with whatever gems you get in your little kit. So I'm going to just kind of show you how to put the gems on. So I got a lot of different ones here. Let's see, there's 2 that are stuck. Come on, guys. Okay. So I think, ooh, some pretty ones here. Lots of different colors, different sizes. Most of the gems you're going to get are these little circular ones, but you'll have some other shapes and sizes in there too, some stars and things. So I think what I am going to do is I like this big pink one here. So I'm going to get some glue. So just a little, you don't have to put tons on your paintbrush or your Q-tip. They will dry. This is tacky glue, so it'll dry really, really well and pretty quickly. And it looks white when you first put it on, but it will dry clear. All right. Oh, maybe I'll put a little bit of glue on the back of him too. Come on, you. It will come off your skin though, so don't worry about it. There we go. So he'll dry clear pretty quickly, so don't worry about that. You can sort of adjust them while they're damp. Eventually, though, they will be stuck where you put them, so try to get a good positioning first. Let's go down this side. Put some more glue. that's okay. Sometimes up on the stems, you need more glue than you think. I think I only have room for one. My pattern got a little weird, but that's okay. That's why you can plan these out ahead of time when you're doing them, just so you sort of have a better gist of where things are. So that is how simple it is to sort of make these. And see, this pink one I started with, he's stuck already on. These guys are pretty glued down. So once you finish your design, just let it dry. You can keep going. You can use up all your gems. You can use some of your gems. It's up to you. But that is how simple it is to make a little gemstone gourd for your Thanksgiving celebration. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe for more great content. Bye.